Here she is, Cheeks herself.
Cheeks in the flesh.
Cheeks McGee.
With a banana.
Little
Oh my gosh,
Mackenzie.
and look, she's totally using it.
Well, that's what we're talking about. We found these really cool. These are like some fun finds that we wanted to share with you guys. And Mackenzie's just getting after it.
She's a star. I mean, she can be directed, apparently.
So
look
these
at
are
that.
these
Oh
are
my gosh,
teething
there's a
toys.
toothbrush on it. Can we see? Look, Mackenzie, can we show? Look at there.
It's a teething tool that has a toothbrush on it that encourages them to brush their teeth while she's teething.
Well,
and clearly she loves it. Good job!
She's a star. She's really good at it.
Gosh. Okay,
and
so
what's this called?
Okay, so this is right here. It's the baby banana teething toothbrush for infants, right here. And we also found these other ones. So these are these are socks. Okay.
That's a little bit adorable.
Teething toes. You know how babies will like suck on their toes.
Stick their feet in their mouth.
Yes.
And so it's like a sock. I wonder if you can put both on.
Yeah,
And then they can just go left.
Right. Switch it off, but it's silicone and it's just really soothing for their teeth. But like, how cute is that?
That's really
Do you
adorable.
want to suck on the toes?
She's like, huh. Oh,
Yeah,
but look,
let's
her
put your-
feet. She
let's
knows.
put your-
She
let's put your
totally
socks
knows.
on,
Let's
Kay?
put it on.
Ben, what are you holding, Ray?
Oh, but she loves her shoe.
Oh,
We're
okay.
gonna, look, we'll put this on.
It's a sucky.
Okay, wait, I'm going to give this to you. And
Okay,
I'm
so
gonna put on
this
her
is,
shoe.
while you put that on, this is the last one, which is a, what is it? The Octo Brush. Okay, so the Octo Brush brings the teether and the toothbrush together in one. So this is an actual kind of toothbrush because it has these ridges. Can you do it?
You can do it. Do you want to eat it? Do you
Here,
want
I'll
to eat it?
eat it.
Oh, look at her. Look at her.
Yeah.
She's got it.
She's
Yeah.
like,
Do you want to eat
you
it?
suck on it?
These are
Clearly
brilliant.
they're fun.
Why did I not come up
Look
with
at
this?
how
Wait, she's
cute.
confused. She's like, I get to eat my feet.
This is so
do it
funny.
again?
Megan, where do people get these? I think you can get them at just grocery stores, and you can get them anywhere.
Look,
but we thought
ready
these were so fun.
and teething toes.
Teething toes.
She needs to be in movies, Megan. Look at
I
her.
know.
She's amazing. Thank you, Mackenzie. Good job.
Oh
I know.
my gosh. All right, we're going to
Okay,
pass it over to Nisha really
Let's
quick.
do that. And we're just going to play with Mackenzie for
I
a
know.
long time.